Verifying your Kayak account is an important step to ensure the security of your travel information. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Access the Kayak website. Go to the Kayak website or open the Kayak app on your device. Make sure you are connected to the internet. Step 2. Log into your account. Enter your login credentials, including your email address and password, to access your Kayak account. If you haven't created an account yet, you will need to sign up first. Step 3. Check for verification email. Once logged in, check your email inbox for a verification email from Kayak. This email will contain a link or instructions to verify your account. Step 4. Click the verification link. Open the verification email and click on the provided link. This will redirect you to the Kayak website and confirm that your email address is valid. Step 5. Confirm verification. After clicking the link, you should see a confirmation message on the Kayak website. Your account is now verified and you can start using all the features available. By following these steps, you can easily verify your Kayak account and ensure your travel plans are secure. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Kayak's customer support for assistance.